Yo, YouTube is really trying to look out for creators. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can make up to 10K a month from just creating YouTube Shorts. So if you're excited, definitely thumbs up the video. I would greatly appreciate it. And just to let you guys know, I do offer one-on-one YouTube masterclasses. So if you wanna work with me one-on-one on your YouTube channel, definitely hit the link in the description below. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So YouTube has pretty much came out and said that they plan on investing $100 million to help pay creators to create YouTube Shorts. Now, this has came out after Instagram has announced their bonuses. Either way, I think it's super dope that these companies are starting to invest in creators, because these social media platforms would not be what they are without us, the creators. So I think this is super dope. So now I'm gonna walk you through how you can get access to some of them coins, okay? Now, first things first, you do not have to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program. So that's super dope. So if you thought you had to have 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, that is not the case. Literally, you can start a brand new channel right now and start uploading shorts, and depending on the performance, you can get paid. So I think that is super dope to allow all creators on the YouTube platform to have access to this money. Now, I do want to walk you through the criteria that your YouTube Shorts have to abide by, because if you do not abide by the criteria, your YouTube Shorts will not be eligible for this YouTube Shorts fund or program that they are creating. So the first one being is that you can't have any watermarks at all on your content. So what that means is, like, if you have the TikTok logos or your Instagram Reel logos on your content, they are not going to pay you. So make sure that you remove those watermarks from your content, or you are not going to get paid. Now, the second criteria is that you have to upload original content. So that means you can't have any movie shows or TV shows or sounds or music in your content to get paid. Now, I don't know specifically how lenient they are gonna be with this, because I know there's plenty of channels that just re-upload content and they get paid in the YouTube Partnership Program. So take this one with a grain of salt, but just to be on the safe side, just create original content that is specific to you and your own personal YouTube channel. That's just the safest way to go, in my personal opinion. Now, another criteria that they have is that you do have to be in an eligible country. So unfortunately, every country doesn't have YouTube Shorts. So that's a little bit of a bummer, but that is pretty much it. Now, how you get paid is that pretty much they're gonna reach out to creators every 30 days, and depending on your YouTube Shorts performance, which is really great, but I'm assuming you are gonna have to get thousands and thousands, or maybe even 1 million views to be eligible, but don't quote me on this. But essentially, they're gonna reach out to those creators after the month that they had, and they're gonna send you an email, okay? And then in that email, they're gonna say, hey, you can claim a bonus anywhere between $100 and $10,000. So I'm assuming the $10,000 a month, you're probably gonna have to get millions and millions of views, okay? Again, don't quote me, but they're gonna reach out to you, and you do have to claim that bonus through your email, okay? Then you're gonna click the bonus, and then if you haven't already linked your YouTube channel to an AdSense account, you will have to set that up. If you do not set that up, you will not get paid, okay? So make sure that you set up a Google AdSense account now, so if you do become eligible for the YouTube Shorts bonus, they have somewhere to send your money. Now, you do have to claim this bonus by the 25th of the month that they send the email in. If you do not do that, you will lose your bonus. So make sure that you check your emails periodically, okay? Because they will be sending out emails between the 8th and the 10th every single month if you are eligible, okay? But that is it for the video. Are you guys excited for the YouTube Shorts fun? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure that you check out some of my other videos as well. I have a lot of playlists on YouTube. But yes, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be easy.